In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get FIFA World Cup 2026 final tickets last minute. Let's get started. Open your preferred browser and go to the official FIFA ticketing portal. Make sure you are using official FIFA website to avoid scams and unauthorized sellers. Click sign in if you already have a FIFA account. If you don't have one, select create account and complete the registration process. Verify your email address if prompted. After signing in, navigate to the ticketing section. Click on buy tickets. Now here you're going to find this single matches option. Click on buy tickets again. Now here you will find available matches, ticket information and access to the resale marketplace. Now from these options, select final tickets. Click on explore ticket. Now review the available ticket categories and prices. If tickets are available, select the desired quantity and category. Then proceed to check out immediately since inventory can sell out within minutes. If standard tickets are sold out, switch to FIFA Resale or Exchange Marketplace. This is where verified ticket holders can resell tickets they no longer need. New tickets may appear at any time as other fans list their tickets for resale. Check back frequently throughout the day and refresh the page regularly, especially during the final days and hours before match. When tickets become available, choose them immediately and proceed to checkout. Holding tickets in your cart does not always guarantee purchase until payment is completed. Enter your payment information and billing details. Carefully review your order before submitting payment. Once payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation email. Your ticket will typically appear in your FIFA ticketing account or the official FIFA ticket app. Open the FIFA ticketing app or your FIFA account and verify that the ticket has been assigned to you. Follow any instructions regarding ticket activation or stadium entry requirements. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.